Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2017. The session is October-November. This is question number 3. We'll use matrices to calculate profit and percentage. So let's start. The question reads, Anya makes t-shirts. The matrix M shows the number of t-shirts of different types she makes in 1 week. Then they've given us a matrix which is a 2x3 matrix and with sizes small, medium and large for men and women. The first part says, Anya sells all of these t-shirts to a shop. She charges $5 for each small t-shirt, $6 for each medium t-shirt and $8 for each large t-shirt. Represent these amounts in a 3x1 column matrix called N. So we look at these three values 5, 6 and 8 and we write down the 3x1 column matrix which is going to be 5, 6 and 8 like this. The next part says work out P which is equal to M times N. So we need to multiply this matrix right here with this one. So I start first assessing all this data. So it is 10, 20, 25, 40, 30 and 25 being multiplied by this column matrix which is 5, 6 and 8. So how do we do this? First we multiply 10 by 5, then we multiply 25 by 6 and then 30 by 8 and we repeat the process for 20, 40 and 25. So we do 10 times 5 plus 25 times 6 plus 30 times 8. Sorry, why is it 8? It's supposed to be 8. 1 second. So we write 8 and we do 20 times 5 plus 40 times 6 plus 25 times 8. Let's plug these values into the calculator and the value that we get would be a 2x1 column matrix. So 10 by 5 plus 25 by 6 plus 30 by 8 gives us 440. Let's look at the next one. 20 by 5 plus 40 by 6 plus 25 by 8. This would give us a value of 540. Okay, so the matrix is 440 and 540. The next part says explain what the elements in matrix P represents. This is what they're talking about. These two elements represent the value of sales done for men and women's t-shirts by Anya. So let's write the statement over here. It represents the value of sales done for men and women's t-shirts by Anya. Okay, I hope this was simple enough. Let's move on. The next part says, the shopkeeper sells all sizes of men's t-shirts at $10 each. He sells all sizes of women's t-shirts at $9.5 each. And he sells all of these t-shirts. Then they've asked us to work out the value of this. So let's do that. We just have to multiply them. So I'll do it right away. 10 gets multiplied by 10. And then 9.5 gets multiplied by 20. This is one of the values. Okay, the next one would be 10 gets multiplied by 25 and gets added to 9.5 being multiplied by 40. And the third value would be 10 gets multiplied by 30 and gets added to 9.5 times 25. Okay, so it would be a 1x3 matrix. So let's start writing these values down over here first to avoid mistakes. 10 by 10 plus 9.5 by 20. This gives us 290, 290, the first value. And then I do 10 by 25 plus 9.5 by 40. This gives me 630. 630. Let's find out the last value. So we do 10 by 30 plus 9.5 by 25. This gives us 537.5. 537.5. So the final matrix is of course the same one. 290, 630, 537.5. Okay, let's move on. Work out the percentage profit the shopkeeper makes when he sells all of these t-shirts. So the values that we got in this matrix, this is the selling price of all the t-shirts. And the value that we got over here in this matrix P, this is the cost of t-shirts that he pays when he buys these t-shirts from Anya. So first we need to find the cost, and then we need to find the total selling price, and then we need to find the percentage. So let's find the cost of shirts first. Cost of shirts would be the sum of 440 plus 540, the amounts at which Anya sells these t-shirts to him. Let's do this. 440 plus 540 gives us $980. $980. The next is to calculate the selling price of these t-shirts. So the selling price is you add 290 and 630 and 537.5. Let's see what we get. Okay, 290 plus 630 plus 537.5. This gives us 1457.5 Okay, now let's calculate the percentage profit percentage. So we subtract the cost from the selling price, which is 1457.5 minus 980 divided by 980 and multiply this by 100. Let's see what we get. 1457.5 minus 980 divided by 980 times 100. We get 48.7%, which is your answer, so you write it over here. 48.7. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.